Hi, I'm Jeff Keith, Senior Design Engineer for Vorsis Audio Processing. I'm here to introduce you to the new Vorsis AirAura digital spectral processor. This is the processor that our beta testers called the game changer in radio processing. Winner of a Cool Stuff award at this year's Spring NAB show, the new AirAura takes on-air processing to the next level. Designed to put an easy to listen to but incredibly loud signal on the dial, this new Vorsis processor mitigates the distortions that a station's long-term listeners might find objectionable, while also increasing the loudness power that can initially attract those listeners to the station. Much of the power within the new AirAura processor can be directly attributed to our new AirAura final clipper technology. This clipper was in development for over 2 years, and its performance far surpasses all the technologies found in competing products. AirAura's clipper operates in numerous frequency bands, and this is a necessity in order for any distortion detection and mitigation algorithm to have the ability to truly discern audio from distortion. More simplistic algorithms with fewer bands or only one band can only make a best guess at what is music and what is distortion. One secret in the AirAura is the unique sweet spot technology, or SST, that we invented and then incorporated into our 2000 series processors nearly 3 years ago. The effectiveness of our SST algorithm when handling widely ranging program material has been well proven in hundreds of radio stations worldwide. SST's primary job is to invisibly manage the behavior of our 5-band HEC section as program density changes, and this is important. This is a task that no matter how intelligent, a broadband HEC simply cannot perform this function. SST actually retunes the 5-band HEC in real time as needed to maintain the user-set sound. SST easily handles those nasty audio speed bumps, the transitions between the hyper-compressed recordings of today and those of the past having considerably more dynamic range. Another feature that makes AirAura processing so loud and clean on the dial is its fine-grained processing sections, which operate in 31 frequency bands. The AirAura's twin fine-grained final limiters, yes, there is one for FM and one for HD, perform precision spectral energy control without generating the artifacts that are so commonly associated with products with fewer limiter bands. With absolutely no swishing artifacts and operating according to well-accepted principles of psychoacoustics, or the way we humans hear sound, the work done by the fine-grained limiters goes completely unnoticed by the ear. Another tool in the AirAura is the Vorsis Bass Management System, or VBMS, and it enhances bass impact while enhancing the clarity of mid and high frequency program. Bass detail is improved and bass-induced processing distortion is lowered or eliminated by this powerful and innovative algorithm. Expanding the tool chain a little more for AirAura, we include our smart stereo enhancement, and our method relies on specially designed spectral management algorithms that provide a smooth, natural, and wide listening experience without triggering any multipath effects. AirAura is equipped with twin widescreen displays. One display is dedicated to I/O metering and control, that's the one on the left, and the right-hand display is solely dedicated to the task of audio analysis. AirAura provides 6 different analysis algorithms to assist the end user in adjusting and/or understanding what is happening to his audio. The FFT analysis that we're showing here provides a detailed look at the finer points of the incoming or processed audio. It's quite useful for finding what frequency range certain program content might be in. On this display, this is called the SDR, or Spectral Dynamic Range Analyzer, and its purpose is to measure the audio density in each of the 31 limiter bands, and it basically shows the amount of dynamic range in each of those bands, and it's a good indication of where in the audio spectrum things will seem louder to the ear. On this display, we're showing a 3D plot of the audio energy versus time versus amplitude versus frequency, which gives the user a historical perspective of his processed audio. Located on the left-hand screen is a series of meters showing the input and output levels for each of the different processing chains. And right below that is something we call GUI Lite. What GUI Lite is a simplified graphical user interface that allows an AirAura to be set up on site quickly and easily without needing a computer. GUI Lite works by translating the action of several easy-to-use controls into commands that communicate behind the scenes to literally hundreds of parameters. Remote connectivity and control of the AirAura is accomplished either by its onboard 100 base T wired Ethernet or its fully 802.11g compatible long-range wireless interface, which we've equipped with twin diversity antennas to ensure maximum control range. Vorsis on-air processing brings loud, clean, compelling audio to the radio dial, audio that your audience will appreciate as well as your programming staff. Built to the same exquisite audio specifications and manufacturing quality as all Wheatstone products, Vorsis processors not only sound great, they're reliable too. If you'd like more information on Vorsis audio processing, check out our website at www.vorsis.com or get in touch with our sales staff. They'll be happy to provide any information you might need about Vorsis audio processing. Thank you.